The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This revere technique relies on a dual coconut milk strategy. Chicken is deeply rubbed with ginger and garlic paste before slowly simmering in thin coconut milk, allowing the spices to permeate the meat. The final stroke is folding in rich, thick coconut cream at the very end, creating a luxurious, velvety sauce that defines this beloved dish. Main: whole chicken, 1. Coconut, freshly grated, 1/2. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Shallots, sliced, 8. Curry leaves, 1 sprig. Lime, 1. Seasoning paste. Garlic cloves, 8. Ginger, 2. 5 cm or knob. Ground chili, 1 tablespoon. Curry powder, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Coconut milk extracted from the 1/2 grated coconut. First coconut milk, 1 cup. Second coconut milk, 2 cups. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Extract the coconut milk. Place the grated coconut in a large bowl. Add 1/2 cup warm water and knead gently for a minute, then squeeze firmly through a muslin cloth or with your hands to extract 1 cup of thick first coconut milk. Set aside. Add 1 1/2 cup more warm water to the same grated coconut, and repeat the squeezing to extract 2 cups of thin second coconut milk. Keep the 2 extractions in separate bowls. Step 2. Pound the garlic and ginger. Peel the garlic cloves and ginger. Pound them together in a mortar and pestle until you have a coarse paste. This paste will be rubbed into the chicken along with the dry spices. Step 3. Cut and season the chicken. Clean the whole chicken and cut it into 12-15 serving pieces. In a large bowl, combine the chicken pieces with the ground chili, curry powder, pounded garlic, and ginger paste and salt. Mix thoroughly with your hands, making sure every piece is coated. Set aside to marinate while you prepare the other ingredients. Step 4. Slice the shallots. Peel and slice the 8 shallots thinly. These will be fried in the oil along with the curry leaves to build the aromatic base of the curry. Cooking steps. Step 1. Fry the aromatics. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the curry leaves once and the sliced shallots. Fry until the shallots are limp and translucent and the kitchen is fragrant, about 3-4 minutes. Step 2. Brown the seasoned chicken. Add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan and fry, turning frequently, until the chicken is lightly browned on all sides and the spices are well cooked and fragrant. This step seals in the juices and coats the chicken in the curry seasoning, about 5 minutes. Step 3. Simmer in thin coconut milk. Pour in the 2 cups of second coconut milk and stir until well mixed with the chicken and spices. Bring to a gentle boil, then lower the heat, cover the pan, and let the curry simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and the gravy has reduced and thickened. Stir occasionally to prevent the bottom from catching. Step 4. Finish with thick coconut milk and lime. When the chicken is tender and the curry gravy is fairly thick, add the 1 cup of first-star coconut milk. Stir gently to combine, do not boil vigorously or the thick milk may curdle. Squeeze the juice of the lime into the curry. Simmer for another 2-3 minutes until the gravy is rich and creamy with a thin layer of oil on top. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed. Step 5. Serve. Ladle the chicken curry into a deep serving bowl. Serve hot with steamed white rice, nasi lemak, or roti canai. The curry tastes even better the next day as the flavors continue to develop overnight.